A very special video, and I got to talk to Murtaza Junaid or Junaid Bhai from Art of Motorcycles, and this is really a very big honor to be talking to him and to be able to record this session for all of you guys interested in biking and riding. So do watch the whole video and don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, comment and share amongst all your rider friends. Cheers.
कैसे हो?
सर बढ़िया बढ़िया, आप कैसे हैं बताइए।
1000 हो गए तुम्हारे ब्लॉग्स? 1000
हाँ हाँ
सब्सक्राइब?
हाँ, यस, बहुत मुश्किल से।
और
और
बताओ क्या
सर
चल रहा है?
चल रहा है, मतलब अभी तो पता ही आपको, लॉकडाउन के चक्कर में ही मतलब बहुत ही हाल तो खराब है वैसे, पर हमारे मम्मी पापा दीदी सब लोग हैं लगे पड़े हुए हैं सबकी सेवा के लिए।
अरे छोड़ो, and your parents and the family is doing a great job. A wish from my side and the whole Art of Motorcycle team and the family that
थैंक यू
they are doing
थैंक
a
यू
great job being doctors and supporting everyone.
भाई। वैसे आई कांट रियली कॉल यू जुनैद भाई, बट
Yeah.
आपका नाम मतलब जुनैद भाई पड़ गया है मुर्तजा जुनैद से ओवर द इयर्स। सो मतलब ये तो सबका प्यार है
अरे
आपके लिए,
यार,
एंड ऑनेस्टली आई एम अ वेरी बिग फैन ऑफ योर्स, एंड थैंक्स अ लॉट फॉर कमिंग आउट लाइव विद अस on Potpourri Vlogs. So we are really happy and really lucky to have you here with us. So I hope everybody will like our little session today. So heading directly into the first question will be that, what are your top 3 or top 5 tips for all the beginner riders out there who are starting out to ride for the first time of their life maybe. तो अब उनके लिए आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
means the stage where you are getting to know a motorcycle or you are going on a first ride or you're riding a motorcycle for everyday use. First and foremost thing, try to ride your motorcycle not on all the gears. Start it slow and try to use lesser clutch. More, try to get a hang on the throttle control and every gear, whatever you're doing, what does the throttle does? Means कहाँ पे वो throttle begin करता है and how easy it is to gradually take the acceleration up. Throttle control and clutch control is the two very important things. And the third thing is balancing the motorcycle. See, for a motorcycle, whenever you get a momentum, is balance. जितना momentum मिलता है उतना balance मिलता है. तो बैलेंसिंग स्लो स्पीड्स पे बैलेंस करना मोटरसाइकिल को. एंड fourth thing is turns, taking smoother turns. Turn के टाइम पे when you're entering a turn, be slow. When you're exiting a turn, try to take a smoother line and gradual accelerator and prepare yourself before entering a turn what gear you need to be while exiting the turn and see where you need to go. Don't see where you need not have to go. Be 100% when you are there on a motorcycle. Don't be daydreaming or don't be thinking about other stuff in your mind and riding a motorcycle, because it is very much essential to be present when you are riding a motorcycle because of the roads and the things what we come across from people to whatever is things are happening in our surroundings. So that's another part. मैं नंबरिंग नहीं दूंगा पर जैसे रैंडमली बता रहा हूँ. एंड अनदर द लास्ट थिंग इज ब्रेकिंग. तो आपको ब्रेकिंग को मास्टर करना पड़ता है. यूज मोर ऑफ योर फ्रंट ब्रेक्स. डू योर ब्रेकिंग्स व्हेन द मोटरसाइकिल इज स्ट्रेट. डोंट hold your brakes while in a turn or when your handle is turned. Use your brakes whenever the motorcycle is straight and use 75% front. And in slow speeds, when you have to balance your motorcycle, you can use your rear brake. These are the some of the bullet points what I can address on basic of riding motorcycle theoretically.
Okay, awesome. So since we know what to do, so what would be like the top 3 points of what to not do on a motorcycle?
Don't whenever your mind is stressed or whenever you are on a motorcycle, don't talk to yourself. Don't be dreaming while riding a motorcycle. Be focused and see where you want to go, because wherever your eyes goes, that's where your motorcycle goes. Second point. And third point, entering a turn, don't use your clutch. बहुत लोग क्या करते हैं, टर्न एंटर मारने के बाद क्लच पकड़ लेते हैं. And second thing, don't use your brakes in the turn.
Okay, so the next question would be, today we see you as an idol for all young riders and all bikers out there. So, I really want to know that how did it start from being just Murtaza Junaid from to being, Junaid Bhai as we know today. ये ट्रांजिशन कैसे हुआ मतलब how did all this happen.
See, basically, when you are in a very successful relationship and you have taken your relationship to a next level, because whatever you do in your life, it can be anything. It can be motorcycling, it can be travel, it can be anything in your life. The more you love that particular job, means person, and the more success stages you cross. And people ask, when people ask that what have you learned, how can I maintain, how can I take my relationship in the same way, so that's how it builds. And now also I'm learning. I just whatever has happened with me and whatever experience I have got with the motorcycle is what I talk about. I don't talk about something which I don't know. I will always deny saying that nahi yaar ye mere ko pata nahi hai. Okay. So basically, once you experience things and once you do things and once you experiment things and do it in a right way and you succeed, is when you can tell a result.
The last one of the last questions would be like, since I'm also getting a bike very soon, so what would be the basic riding gear which you would recommend ki matlab, these things you should really have and invest in.
This question I want to answer before you put accessories on your motorcycle. When you plan to buy a motorcycle, try to buy a really good helmet and a decent enough riding jacket and a riding boots. Level 2 is better. It is lighter in weight and it can take more impact. Level 1 can do the same, but it is a bit heavier. And if you have that much of money to spend, go for a level 2 armor. Go for the best. And yeah, you can do that majority of time. I can say Triumph showroom has got the best jacket for the cheapest amount of price with the best quality. निखिल ने भी लिया है, मैंने भी लिया है, तो दिस इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट ऑल वेदर. मीन्स रेन में तो फैंटास्टिक है और इवन समर में भी इट वर्क्स फाइन एंड it has got all the characteristics because you do not have to put layers. ठीक है, लेयर्स जैकेट में समर के लिए एक लेयर, विंटर के लिए एक लेयर एंड रेन के लिए एक लेयर. उसमें क्या होता है ना, द जैकेट वेट does matter when you are riding a motorcycle, and it makes you tired, fatigue पे जल्दी लेके आ जाता है. And when you have a jacket and pant which is एक बार खरीदो और एटलीस्ट 5 साल तो चलाओ. Okay. So Cordura, Gore-Tex, and all these brands have been there, and it has been used in all the majority of the brands use the technology, right? और ये पेटेंट टेक्नोलॉजी अगर आपको चीपेस्ट प्राइस में, जहाँ पे आप मार्केट में जाके खरीदने चाहोगे या इंपोर्ट करना चाहोगे, आपको लाख 1.5 लाख रुपए में मिलता है, जो अगर आपको 40,000 रुपीज में आपको मिल गया, 40-50,000 रुपीज में, एंड दैट will protect you better and that will save you. You put your life value and your riding gear value. जब आप गाड़ी खरीद रहे हो which is around 2 lakh, 2.5 lakh, 3 lakh, whatever, okay, and now you value your motor. उसे प्रोटेक्शन के लिए आप जैसे पूछ रहे थे कि मैं क्या क्या डालूंगा, राइट? 25,000 तो डाल ही दोगे आप उसके प्रोटेक्शन के लिए, राइट? तो आपकी वैल्यू कितनी है, यू नो इट बेटर. मैं पूछता हूँ कि गाड़ी लेने से पहले गाड़ी का जो भी वैल्यू है, राइडर का वैल्यू ज्यादा होता है. So you need to protect yourself in a better way, whatever bike you ride.
So now after riding gears, what would be your recommendation, since you are the founder of Atom Motorcycles, ki the basic modifications that we should get for our bikes when we do get them, so what would that include?
The motorcycle, मैं अपनी गाड़ियों में, if you would have seen my older motorcycle photos, I used to never put a crash guard. माया पे भी crash guard last year ही लगाया जब मैंने वो टैंक लगाया था और रेडिएटर प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए लगाया. Okay, वरना तो I have ridden my motorcycle without a crash guard. The main thing what modifications I do when I purchase a motorcycle is get my handlebar to my ergonomic position so it is easier to control. And second thing what I do is to have a enough space to carry luggage, क्योंकि गाड़ी जब भी गिरती है तो वो इंजन साइड नहीं गिरती. Majority of time whenever it falls it goes sideways and the first thing what touches is your rear. So Heart Pioneers does the job of saving your vehicle from a crash and everything.
For all of these valuable answers, Joe, I don't think anybody else could have answered better than you. So coming at the end, what would be your advice to all your fellow riders out there?
अगर आपका हैंडल बार और कंट्रोल गाड़ी के ऊपर अच्छा है और आप सीख रहे हो तो भी आप उसे प्रोटेक्ट करके चल रहे हो तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डोंट डू एनी मिस्टेक्स, डोंट फॉल डाउन, ट्राई टू बी अवेक एंड डोंट टच द ग्राउंड यार. ओके, बी सेफ. अगर आप सेफ चलाओगे और सेफ राइडिंग स्टाइल ये करोगे यू हैव many more kilometers and many more distance to cover. If you lose a vehicle's some part it can be replaced, but if you lose some of your body part it can't be replaced and it will never work the same way it used to work, right? So don't be a hero on the road, be a hero by riding safe and saving yourself and saving others.
You liked our video, and I was really overwhelmed by how humble that person is, being such a celebrity. So yes, this could be possible because of all of you guys. And again, we are going to hit 2000 subscribers very soon. So please subscribe and यार please share कर देना.